Misha woke up with a stretch and cheer. Time for the farm, my boots are here. She zipped her coat and ran outside, where muddy fun and work collide. Chug, chug, rumble, rattle, let's go ride and feed the cattle. Muddy wheels go round and round, tractor fun on farming ground. A big red tractor blinked its eyes. Hop on, Misha, let's touch the skies. With a beep and bounce, they rolled on through. The field so wide, the sky so blue. But splat with the mud up in the air covered Misha's shoes and hair. She laughed aloud, it's okay, muddy fun is part of play. Splish, splash in the mud, jump and wiggle in the sludgy flood. Muddy boots and messy hair, I love muddy games, don't care. Let's feed the sheep and goats and hens, said Misha as she passed the pens. With hay and grains and water pails, she sang a song through grassy trails. The tractor pulled a heavy load down the bumpy country road. Carrots, apples, corn and hay, helping farmers every day. Chug, 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 strong and proud, tractor singing rumbles loud. Through the field and down the track, with Misha steering front and back. A cow went moo and gave a grin. A pig rolled by with a muddy spin. Chickens clucked and danced around, while ducks flat feet on soggy ground. Oh no, the tractor slipped in goo. The wheels got stuck and wouldn't move through. Misha gasped and called for aid. Come on friends, let's not be afraid. Pull and push, tug and shout, teamwork helps us all get out. Muddy hands but hearts so wide, together we work side by side. The tractor grumbled but moved ahead. Misha smiled and gently said, thank you pals for helping out, that's what friendship's all about. Back at the barn she grabbed the hose and sprayed her boots from heel to toes. The animals laughed and joined in fun, a bubble bath for everyone. Splish, splash, wash the dirt, soap and bubbles on my shirt. Scrub a dub and sing along, clean or muddy, we're still strong. The sun went down behind the hill, the farm grew quiet, calm and still. Misha yawned and waved goodnight to her tractor buddy tucked in tight. Chug, chug, good night moon, see you all again real soon. Farmyard dreams and starry skies, till tomorrow's muddy surprise.